Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. Today's going to be a quick show of what I made at the craft retreat I went to at the weekend. It was Louise Thompson's craft retreat. It was mixed media and I loved it. It was really great. What did we do first? I think we did this. Can you see it? So it's a plain log. I actually bought one from the shop. So just a plain log, and then you decorate it. So we put gesso on it and we put all sorts of different things on it. I did some beads. These are like little pearl things, like could use all sorts. So I've really come home thinking about what I've got and what I've actually got rid of that I could actually use in my mixed media, because I really want to start playing with it now. So that was my first project, and then my second project I was like, okay, it's a paintbrush. So there it is in its glory, paintbrush. Covered it all in gesso again, and then we did all these different techniques on it, and we had all these I don't know if I've got, they're like this, they come in a container like that, and then you just push them out. So I didn't use all of them, there's loads left, and then these are the bubbles again, and like little stones, and I used some wax. So that was and I really like that. The project should have been that way round, but I wanted to hang it from somewhere, I don't know where. So that's the second one. So that was the Saturday, and I thought 2 projects in one day. But we also did, I made these were little notebooks, and I love all these words. I've actually bought a pack, and I just framed it and put some DSP on it. That's just a little notebook. And then also we had one of these coasters, and this, I was really disappointed with it. I covered it in gesso and then I stenciled it, and that didn't go too well. And then I heat embossed it through a stencil, and that just became a big blur. I thought, oh my God, what am I going to do? So then I re-stenciled it with some 3D paste, and I love it. It's brought out all the gold underneath and all the different colours, and I sprayed it with the pinks and the greens. Of course it should be that way around. Creativity takes courage. I was like, yeah. And then I just added that to it. I threw loads of these flipping stones away. I had them in jars and I just threw them away. I might dig some up actually, because I think some are in my garden. So I love that. So that was I was really happy that I managed to turn that around from being a real like, oh my God, this is going in the bin, to oh wow, I love it. So on the Sunday we had Cassia there, really nice lady, and this is, I can show you because I bought one. It's a Cuboid, just a MDF box that you glue together and you make this. Now everyone else made like moons and stars, but I didn't want to do moons and stars, so I did flowers and different things and hearts, and this was amazing. So I stenciled, I gessoed, I did so much on this. It's just, did the bottom and the inside, painted it with black gesso, and then did all this. The words on that one, I think I went a bit too crazy, so I'll have to put something else over that. But the others you can see, believe in yourself. And I love it. I love the fact that, like on that one, Cassia said cut that up in half and put that there, so that was brilliant. Then mould one round, which I did. Love it. These are all metal, and these are wood. So I love that project. I will use that. So that's my third, and then the fourth one was a canvas inside out basically, and we did lots of gessoing, lots of stenciling, with different things. We had some paper that we could cut up. These we could colour. So that's what I did. And that turned out really nice as well. And then it was time to come home. So I did 6 projects in the end. So I hope you liked them. Take care. Bye.